Hello friends, so we are in the part 2 now to create an admin panel. Here we are in the dashboard and we are logging as the admin user. So if I go now to the, here we don't show any links for the categories and so on, because we remove from the app blade. So we have only the dashboard, my listings and new listing. Okay, now if I go in the admin, first thing I'm going to do is add the admin if the user is admin. Add the link here to go to the admin. Okay, I forget that, so go in the layouts app and I'm going to copy this one and check if the role is admin. We're going to display that and role, and I'm going to say road get name index admin index. Okay, dot index save, come here, refresh, and yeah, we need to change this to be admin. Refresh, and now if I click here we go to the admin. Here we have the admin panel and here we go to the dashboard. Okay, now we have categories, subcategories, and in the subcategories we need to make some changes, so we need to go in the views, subcategories here. First I'm going to close all the open tags, open files. So subcategories, create, and I'm going to select all of them and add the admin dot, hit save, go to the edit, the same thing, admin dot, okay, and the index, admin dot, expect, we don't need here. Okay, save, come here and refresh now, and now we have subcategories here. We can edit, go back and delete. Okay, yeah, but you see here now we are in the admin, but we have the app layout. If you see here, yeah, we need to change this to be admin. Okay, the same thing for the edit and the same thing for the create. Okay, save and now refresh. Now we are in the admin layout. So go in the edit, yeah, go back, new, and yeah. Now for the child category the same thing. First I'm going to close them and go to the child categories, change the app to be admin, and next we need to change the child categories to be admin dot, okay, the same thing here, okay, and and the same thing in the index. Change this to be admin and child categories. Okay, and refresh now. Yeah, we are in the admin area. Edit also, yeah. New, yeah. Now for the countries we need to do the same thing and go to the countries, create, change this to be admin, also the row to be admin, the same thing for the edit, admin, and the countries to be admin, and for the index admin here, and in the rows we need to do the same thing, but just in the row, not in the all. So in the rows we need to change this to be admin dot countries. Okay, come here and refresh. Yeah, we are in the admin panel. Here we have the admin layout, and we can edit, go back, new country. Okay, now for the state we need to do the same thing and go to the state. Here change the app to be admin layout, also in the rows the same thing, admin dot, in the edit blade admin layout, and in the state we need to be admin dot. Okay, the index now, admin layout, and in the row states admin dot. Okay, close them and go back here, refresh. Yeah, we can edit states, go back and create new states, and we are in the admin layout. The next one is the cities. Okay, here in the cities, create admin, and also the road, admin dot, hit save, go to the edit blade, admin layout, and in the road admin. Okay, and now in the index admin layout, and in the road admin. Okay, here refresh. Now we are in the city, and we can edit, go back, and new city. Okay friends, now this is for this video. We fix all the roads. Now we are in the next one. I want to display all the listings here. So if I go in the index and X my layout, admin, no, sorry, in the my listings, admin, where is the listings? And go to the web PHP Now we go back to the listings on the dashboard. So if I go here again and my listings, I want to say here all listings. So in the admin layout, change this to be all the listings, and this is going to be the road for the admin.listings index, and here admin.listing index. And I think we don't have the HTTP controllers admin. Yeah, we have the listing controller here. I'm going to create a method index, and here I'm going to say the listings is going to be listing all, and I'm going to return the view admin dot listings dot index with a compact listings, and we need to import the listing model. Hit save. We need now to, I'm going to go in the listings and index, select all, copy, and now in the admin I'm going to create new folder for the listings, and here new file, call it, name it index dot blade dot php, and here I'm going to paste what we copy from here. Just change this to be all listings and this to be admin. The road here, I'm going to remove this road for now, or leave just now. And here we can I'm going to leave it for now because here we need to make some changes. The road is going to be admin, listings, edit, and so on. So just save here, and in the web PHP, okay, we don't have the listings. I'm going to do route resource listings and listing controller, and we need to import that from the admin listing controller. Hit save and refresh again, admin. Now we have all the listings here. If I click, we go in the admin listings, and we have the app layout. Why we have the app layout here? Admin listings. Okay, I think I change listings index. Yeah, I set admin layout. And we need to display all the listings, but in the listing controller the admin, all listings, and we go back. Okay, we go in the admin listings. So where is the problem? In the web we have the resource for the listings, and yeah, this listing controller is going to be the listing controller here, because this one is going to be us. We don't have import the listing controller from the admin. Okay, here hit enter, and from the admin area we don't have that. Okay, copy and paste, and now this is going to be listing controller as admin listing controller, and now we need to add it here, admin listing controller, hit save, and go back to the admin. Now go to the all listings, and now we have all listings and we are in the admin panel. Okay friends, hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. All the best.